Where's Ursula?
She's done.
She's gone. Where did she go?
She's done.
Call Ursula.
Asha!
Ursula is gone. Yan, Pek Shorts. Alam na this. So this is from 1 Teaspoon. This is a really good brand. And the next Pek Shorts is from Levi's. Ding ding ding. Hala. Super ganda naman ito.
Mama, sit on that cat. Please.
Please. Okay, you sit down properly. I'll give you one, okay? Yeah.
Kick.
Come here. Come on.
The bin.
Here, look. Come on, let's wait. Go.
Cut the rug.
Okay. And then Mama will cut. Can you be patient, please?
The dog.
Yes.
Good. Finish.
That's good. Have your breakfast so you can do that. And Mama will give it to you. Mama will give it to you. Please be patient.
I have these little cards, which are little cards. What letter is this?
What do you say, Mama?
What letter is this?
You're welcome, sweetheart.
B.
Yeah,
What
there.
letter is
Yeah.
this? C. What letter is What letter is this? D. What letter is this? What letter is this? D. What letter is this? C.
Do you like it, Celine?
These are the cards.
Do you like it?
Very nice.
Okay. That's the last one for you, okay? We ran out of the vitamin D for using a new one. Here. Yeah. Wish. Did you girls have a good sleep? Lynn? Did you have a good sleep, Lynn? No, that's Ate. That's no more. It's finished for you. You can have a lot. Yes? Is that okay? Is that okay, Celine?
She's saying yes.
Good girl. Do you want like Ate? Do you want cereal like Ate? Okay, that's Ate's. I'll make you one. I'll make one for you, okay? I'll make one for my Lin. Look, what is that? Did you dream?
I did.
You did not? Did you dream, Lin? Yes? What's with the nodding this morning, Lin?
She's tired. Yeah. Mommy,
Okay, you want that?
No.
Okay, that's good.
I want.
You don't want?
No,
What do you say you want?
yellow.
Yellow? No, have that one, Ate. Otherwise, she's gonna take it. No, that is for Ate. That's not for you.
Hello.
Okay, how about strawberries? You want some strawberries?
I want to.
You don't want to?
I want to.
Why not? This is yummy.
What? This? I don't want. This? No. What do you want?
Wow.
Mine.
Wow.
Atitan.
Atitan.
Ate done.
Do you want ate too? Okay. Here you go, ate.
I want the other one.
Wait, how about you say thank you?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Pull it. Pull. Wait, look what happens. Pull.
It's okay lang. Just give her lang.
No.
Give her.
Ate. Pull Nami.
Nami.
There.
Okay. When you finish that, so you can have this. Actually, you share that one of all that's. But you put too much. So not too much.
Mom, I put too much apples. Ate, there. Nami.
Okay, sure, follow it. Put this in the bag now. And Mama will get ready, okay?
I like the taste.
So we can go.
I like the taste.
Say that.
Every taste.
See? She's gonna follow you. She just said she doesn't like the taste.
No, I mean the vitamin. The pink vitamin. I don't want that taste.
Really?
Then right now, please.
See at first. Yummy, and don't make it like a big thing, ate. Good girls.
Oh,
Nami. Nakarip jeans mo si Salin. Okay, isa lang?
you think my mom gets it?
Nah. Still too early for that. Pinadala ko ng yogurt, guys, so kasi... La! It's raining. I can't believe it. Tingnan
I
niyo,
know
guys.
that.
Maaraw, pero umulan.
This morning, I looked through the windows and it was like raining, and then I know.
Was it raining lang? Rain? Do you know the song? Rain, rain, go away?
Yeah. Rain? Yeah. Can I say rain? Rain. Go. Way. Come.
Again?
Again.
Another?
Another. Can I say another?
Day.
Day.
Okay. Go. Ate first. Lini, ate first. Ano, tingnan nyo. Hoy, sige na kay late na ka ba? Uy, ate first nak. Ate first kasi ate sits first. Come on. Hi. Lini, go. Being silly, ha? Sige, ate. Okay, you can follow. Manok ka karon. Kalamig ganyan mo dukla eh.
Me.
Lini, come on quick. Have a good day. Love you. Ate's going now. Ay, there it is. Do you wanna go to school, Lini? Yeah? Come on. Mama won't go. Drink it properly, okay? Don't make a mess. Morning, guys! We just dropped Ate Paris sa kanyang school and nandito na naman kami sa aming cafe. I bought the largest size na hot chocolate and I put marshmallow for free. Baby Chino for baby Selena as usual. So it is Friday. Happy Friday, everyone. Today ay pupunta kami ni baby Celine sa new farm. So tomorrow, Saturday, magdi-dinner kami with the family. That's for Daddy Mike's birthday celebration. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, ito yung susuotin ko. Ako ang mag-birthday kasi ako ang maghanda ng susuotin. Hindi, yung top na pinakita ko kahapon, gusto ko yung suotin. But I wanted to pair it with parang wide leg pants na white or cream color or gray. Kaya lang, wala ako guys. Sabi ko, mag-ukay tayo na. Mag-ukay-ukay tayo. So, hindi na ako nakapag-ukay-ukay for so long. Like, so very long time. Meron nga tayong subscriber, no? Hello, Jancy Pinay Australia. Palagi niya sinasabi niya, nami-miss niya yung ukay-ukay haul ko when we were in Melbourne. Kasi, nung nasa Melbourne kami guys, oh my goodness, at least like every other day, nag-ukay-ukay ako kasi magaganda doon guys. I can't compare yung ukay-ukay nila dito sa Brisbane kumpara sa Melbourne. Like, nothing to compare. Kasi, iba talaga dito sa Brisbane guys, yung mga ukay-ukay nila. Sa Melbourne, sobrang magaganda. Dito kahapon, di ba, nag-vlog ako. Pumunta kami sa Venice, yung isang op shop na malapit sa amin. Wala talaga akong nabili. Like, normally, pag nag-ukay-ukay ako, may nabibit-bit talaga ako. But, yesterday, ito lang, mermaid na candle na bit-bit-bit-bit ni Baby Celine ngayon yung nabili namin. Walang damit kasi wala akong nabit talaga. But ngayon, pupunta tayo ng New Farm, yung isang op shop doon, yung Ukayan na gusto kong puntahan. Kasi may mga magagandang stock sila doon. And minsan may mga kids din sila ng mga damit. Doon sa pinuntahan namin guys kahapon, wala silang mga kids ng mga damit. Finished? Wow! That was so quick, my love. So we might go to maybe at least 2 ukay-ukay this morning. And yeah, for sure makakauwi tayo before pick up at Paris. Yeah, we'll take you with me guys and see kung meron tayong mga good finds today sa ating ukay-ukay. I really miss doing it guys. Sobrang busy na rin ng life kaya hindi ko na napagtutuon na tuunang pansin talaga po ukay-ukay guys. But that's really something na na-enjoy ko and it really makes me happy kapag may mga good deals, may mga mga good buys tayong nakukuha. So here's our first op shop guys, RSPCA. Oh, look. Puso talagang Barbie ganyan yes. Feng na Feng. Nini. Okay, let's go in. It's good kasi maaga pa, walang masyadong tao. Let's carry that. Shifa na book. Ito yung mga pants nila guys, mga malalaki man. See, meron silang pang kids. So, look at the pang kids na rin. So, may bit-bit na ako, guys. Ayan, dalawa. We'll see kung pwede nating matry ito. Ang ating baby girl ay mag-behave. Ah! Ball!
Apple.
Yes. Kaya niya nakikita ng laruan.
Mimi.
Yes. Do you want that?
Okay.
Do you want it?
Okay.
Huh?
This is my bike. Ready? Oh, bike. I'm a dad.
She wants me to pay for it. Do you want to pay now?
Dad.
Pay?
Dad.
Okay, hang on. Mama's still looking.
Come.
Mama is still looking.
My friend was
Gusto niya kasi niya i-open. Yeah.
Ready. Break.
Where? Okay.
Break.
Okay. Where?
Considering giving it to her, but then
Where?
so this, I want to say
Doggy.
this
Okay, we'll have a look at here and then we can go pay, okay?
giveaway.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Look at that.
It's not. Oh, what it is. Use your imagination.
Bye-bye for more.
Your imagination. People may, I would have made this
Dad.
Phone cases.
and this is what you
These are Lini.
Mommy.
Yes, that's for the phone, sweetie.
no, it's a type
Mga pearls ng silanganan.
with this. Yeah, and I think it's that's one.
Bongga naman yan, oh. Ay, gusto nang magpa-open ng kanyang bowl. Look at this. guys. Check it out. Iba rin. May Louis Vuitton. Tingnan niyo to. Oh. Kay bongga naman ng shoes na to.
Mommy. Mommy.
Nice try, my love. Ito sana, guys. Kaya lang, hindi ko bet yung dito. Oh. Hindi kasi siya pa-close. Parang... Ewan ko, malaki yung ano niya dito. Hindi ko bet.
Mommy.
Mommy. Do you want another bowl?
Yeah.
Okay. Second op shop of the day. Kakapark lang namin sa labas, guys. It's Lifeline Shop in Annalee. Hindi pa ako nakapunta dito. This is my first time and it looks like it's bigger than the other op shop na napuntahan ko. So, I'm so excited! Lini! Lini! Busy man ang ating baby. 60s! Yes, 90s and 80s. We'll have a look here. Oh, wow. Vintage. Mine. Mermaid. Nakahanap na sa kanya, guys. Tignan niyo, mermaid. Sobrang happy niya. Yeah, mermaid.
Mommy,
Yeah. Swimming. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll give this a try, guys. Let's see kung hindi siya pangit tingnan or maganda tingnan. You're welcome, sweetheart. It looks good on you. Laki naman, guys. Okay. Hindi ko na inubad ang aking leggings. Okay. Let's go find more. Ang ganda pa naman ito. Ang daming gisi-gisi. Kakatapos lang namin siyaan, guys. Wala masyado man. Katabi ay ito. Yesterday's thrift shop. So we'll see what's in here. I try this one on, guys. Kasya siya dito kasi size 8. Pero mahubuan man talaga yung very nice kasi puff sleeve. But this one falls down like that. So I don't think I'm going to wear it. Cute pa naman niya. Ang ganda niya pag naisuot. Ito siya, very obsessed. We bought that, from, yan yung kanyang suot.
Yes!
Sa kabila. Yan lang yung nabili namin sa kabila. And she's obsessed. She's very happy with it. Honey, where's Ursula?
She's done.
She's gone? Where did she go?
She's done.
Call Ursula.
Asha!
Ursula is gone.
Asha?
Yeah, she's gone. She went somewhere.
Mommy, you're Asha!
Yeah, you're the mermaid. Look. Beautiful mermaid.
Oh, Mommy too. It's me.
Lala. Hindi talaga siya makaget over sa kanyang mermaid. We can't find anything, guys.
Mommy, Mommy.
Yes. Come on, this way. Oh. Are you okay, Ariel? Mama, help? Are you okay? Oh, hurt. Bobo, it's okay. There you go. Better? Come here. Listen to Mama lagi. Mama said, come here. Pants. Wala man talaga yung hinahanap ko, guys. Gusto ko yung linen lang siya na type. Selene! Sana ito na. Ay, hindi naman mahaba. Dito kami ngayon sa isang antique store, guys. Look. Wala, napaka-antique.
Daddy,
Not sure. What have they got in it?
Daddy,
Mga vintage Tingnan niyo. Hala. Maganda.
This is Daddy's hair.
Daddy! Oh my God. Grabe guys, itong mga ano, kahit mga kung anik-anik pa.
Daddy.
Yung mga antik.
This is
Baka may mahanap tayong mga ano dito. Magaganda. This is a good one.
Mommy.
Yes, princess.
Look at Daddy's shoe.
It's not bad. 45. Very flower naman ito eh.
Mommy,
Yes!
Lenny.
What did you find? What did you find, Lenny?
Mommy, I bought. Mommy,
Oh, what's that?
Mommy, Daddy.
Tantaran pa more. Ay, grabe, ang dami nilang ano dito. Super. Very good luck. We also got jewelry, accessories. Oh, they've got comics. Ay, anak ko. Taka. Comics. Wow. Look how old. 1975. Oh my God.
I'm a boat. Mama, boat.
Boot, yeah. Boot. Laki ng shop na to. Ano, may pang sandalo, oh. Uy, may anak. Ay, sige, pangibot na. Look. Look. Ang mga old hats. Wow. Ano yung mga antik na amaze ako, guys.
Mommy, see.
Yeah, I know. Let's look at the phone, guys. Oh my God. They're freaking over inside. They're beautiful. This really amazed me, guys. I do have an old soul, you know?
Hey, baby.
Yeah, my old photos. Last destination, guys. Before heading home. Oh, very bright. Link Charity Superstore. Link Vision.
You sure? Sure.
This one has been really, really good to Mama. I'm very happy. I'm proud.
Amazing.
She's enjoying it, actually. Nak, do you like shopping lang? Gitu. Maybe because she's wearing the mermaid top. Okay, wait, Mama. Here, come here. Maybe we'll find something here, my love. Malaki din to, guys. Straight ako sa white kasi yun yung hinahanap ko eh. White na pants. Oh, careful anak ko. Yes. Ito yung kinakatakutan ko pag dito ako pumupunta. Kasi yung mga, ano ba, breakable. Celine loves it.
Kaya?
We're home, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga pamili namin from our Ukay Ukay. So mag-haul tayo. Hindi marami yung napamili natin. But at least meron tayong nadala. So we went to 1, 2, 4 na op shop. Yung first na nabili namin sa unang pinuntahan namin is itong dress na baby Celine na for $3.
If you've read it, I'm assuming you're referencing something.
Ganyan siya.
Show me that reference where it
Flora.
says that the bank's live in
Ganyan. Ang ating daddy may
Solid
working
checks.
from home today. Kaya marinig mo ang kanyang boses sa likuran. And then we got some toys for Celine. And what else did we get? This. Tingnan nyo. Pearls. Ang ganda ng kulay niya, guys. Ng pearls na to. So, ito, Ate Paris would like this one. Kasi alam niyo naman, ang mermaid ng ating mga Junakis. Sinuot ko na. Second one na pinuntahan namin is
black drawing.
kung saan nakuha namin yung suot ni Baby Celine na pang mermaid na ngayon, she's having a nap and she's still wearing it. She loves it. Yun lang yung nabili namin. That was for $5. Lumabas na kami. And then, the next one is, doon na ako nakabili pang tatlong. Yung hinahanap ko talaga is yung ano ba, yung wide leg pants na white. Kaya wala eh. Anyways, nakita ko to siya doon sa third op shop na pinuntahan namin. And, yan, pek shorts. Alam na this. So, this is from 1 Teaspoon. This is a really good brand. So, first time ko nakapunta doon sa second and third na op shop, right? And the third op shop, I'll be going back there. That's for sure. Doon ko to siya nabili. And cheap lang yung mga paninda nila. And malaki. So, marami kang mapagpipilian. So, ito yung na, ano ko, na bingwit ko doon. This is in size 26. And it's got the, tingnan yung mga pastad-stad na ganyan na parang kumikinang kapag may lights. Ayan. Sobrang ganda niya. The next pair of shorts is from Levi's. Ayan. And that's the back. And alam niyo kung anong gusto ko dito sa mga shorts na to, guys. Ay button fly ang kanilang pa-close dito. Hindi yung zipper. So, it means mapupush niya ang ating bilbil. Yan yung advantage ng ganitong ano, pang-close. The same with this one. Oh, diba? So, both I got for $5 each. Ayan. So, bongga na yan siya, guys. $5 is really good. And then, another two from that same shop. Itong plain white na top from Essentials Witchery. Tingnan nyo naman. Oh. And guess what? Ting ting ting. Guess magkano yung binayad ko dito, guys? Put in the comment section below. Okay, reveal the price. Ayan. Originally, it was $5 and then it's down to $2. $2. It's really good. It's plain white. Sobrang body hugging. And then, para parisan ko yan, binili ko to. It's in size 10. Pero maganda yung kanyang kulay. From the brand Rhythm. Made for adventure. Ayan. And this is also from 5 to 2. Babalik talaga ako doon, guys. Next time. Tagalin muna natin. So, yun lang yung napamili ko doon. So, I spent like $14 with that shop. Ito. Yung last shop ay wala rin akong na-bet doon, guys. But, since I was looking for wide leg pants, right? Pag-isipan ko, wala talaga siya. Like, wala talaga akong pag-asa na makakita. So, sabi ko, I'll just get something na tawag dito. Neutral lang ba ang kanyang kulay? So, I found these pants. Ayan. So, okay lang ang kanyang length. Perfect pala ang kanyang length. Hindi siya mahaba. So, this is from the brand Lion. Size 8. And this one is for, yung shop na yun ay mas maharlika, guys. Ayan, $10 din. But yeah. Super nice. Pero ano pa naman, bawin-bawin naman sa condition. Kasi parang brand new. Hindi talaga siya nagamit. Yan yung bet ko dito, guys, sa Australia naman Ukay Ukay. Kasi yung Ukay Ukay naman dito ay hindi yung parang bundle-bundle na galing sa Korea, ganun. Hindi naman ganun. Ito yung mga gamit na dinodonate ng mga tao. Hindi na nila bet. So, yung ibang places, mahal pa rin yung presyohan nila. But some places like the third op shop na pinuntahan namin, very reasonable silang mag-price. Ang pag-uwi namin ni Baby Celine, ito yung bumungad sa akin. So, I'm super excited na mag-unbox din ito, mag-unpack. Ayan. Ito yung binili ko sa Japan. Bilis talaga nila, eh. Grabe. DHL. Sobrang bilis. Excited. 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 May idea ba kayo guys? Pahaba siya. Do you know what's inside? Punitin na natin ba kaya hindi na ako makapaghinta. Packaging is really good. Very secure na secure ang ating sinapping. Ding, 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 ding. Look. Yan. Gucci. Vintage to siya, guys. So, tingnan nyo ang kanyang pa-box. Very vintagey. Bilis lang. I think 2 days lang ata lumating na. Oh, look. Uy. Oh, meron pa siyang I really love vintage, guys. Sobrang bet ko talaga yung mga vintage. 2012? Ay. Ano ba to? Yeah, I think August 27, 2012 originally binili. Hala, 10 years. 10 years. Tingnan natin. I can't wait to, Gucci timepieces. Yan, mga babasahin. And the moment of truth. Ding, ding, ding. Hello. Super ganda naman ito. Kayo ang una nakakita, guys, kasi hala, beautiful. Hala, ganda rin. Very cute naman. Uy. Very, dainty. Ang kanyang strap. Ano ba to siya? I think it's, crocodile, lizard na leather. So, ang ganyan ang kanyang face. Kanyang pagmumukha. Ganyan. Tapos, ang kanyang strap ay ganyan. Sobrang liit lang kasi na aking wrist, guys. Kaya, ayan. Tapos, yung ano niya, hindi man siya ayan. Yung likuran niya ay ganyan. See? Pre-love to siya, guys, ha? Pero, ang kinis, guys. Mas makinis pa sa mukha ko. All the cards and everything. Andyan. And then, ayan, lahat ng hardware niya may pag-jijing ganap. Tapos yung likuran. May nakalagay. Ano pa nakalagay? Gucci 10M. Taga natin, Bing. Nadagdagan ang ating perlas. Tingnan nyo. Ganda naman ito. Okay. Dito ko suotin kasi ito kasi yung ginagamit ko palagi. Kaya yung mga bracelet, bangles, and ganyan, dito ko sinusuot. Pero maybe maganda ba tingnan? I think like more ito pag gold lahat na watch, pwede dyan ilagay. Ito medyo odd siya kasi leather eh. Dito siguro sa kabila. No.
A few moments later.
What is this for? We have to put it back. Scratch. Tingnan nyo. Obsessed din sa kanyang tissue.
Why? I told the teacher and then they told me to get some.
Tissue? Why? Did you scratch your knee? Show me.
It's just small.
How did it happen?
I just was running. And then they were playing monsters. Like Trigina has to be a monster. And Chachi tried to have us. And I fell where the hill was.
Oh, really?
Where the grass was. And then I scratched. What? It's true.
Alright. You say so. Kwento mo yan. Masama ako dyan. I put this back. Saan na punta, Anis? Maestra. Come on, get your water bottle. We have to go. Leanie. Mermaid. Mermaid, come now. Mermaid. Do you like her top lang? Mermaid top? Or This like pearls. Well, this is for you. Okay, hang on lang. Hang on, sweetie. It's for you. Pearls, yep. It's for a mermaid. He's talking to you.
Yeah? So guys, you know what?
Show Ate your pearls on your top. You can share with Ate, okay? Okay, sharing. Alright, let's go. Let's go.
This person put some a little bit water on it.
Sharing. Good girl, Lini. Mama's very proud. After namin maglinis ng sasakyan, guys, nandito na naman kami sa bakery. Ayan, Ate Paris is having the sweet roll. We're having the shockway. This one's drinking strawberry drink. Yum, can Mama have a try?
No.
Please? Please? How about the sharing, Celine? You have to share. How about Mama? Thank you. Just a little bit. Thank you. That's very yummy. Okay, then she's giving to you. Very good sharing, anak. They've been really good while Mama was cleaning the car. Si Ate Paris natin guys, sobrang bait talaga kasi ito siya umiiyak kasi very loud. Even though siya, ayaw din niya yung very loud guys. Ano niya, tinatakpan niya yung tenga ng kapatid niya. Very good Beliwa. Dinner time guys, the pizza garden. Having pizza for tonight. Wow, nice coloring, Celine.
Hi.
Yes.
I want this one.
Mermaid.
And it's Nini. My
Oh, yours is amazing. Of course, move here, babe.
Actually, I'll get some more pencils.
Move here.
I want more pencils.
The usual margarita and Hawaiian. Lynn, you want to sit on your high chair now?
No.
No. Very nice. Ito yung ginawa ko. Nakabalok na ka, very colorful lang. Have a look in the camera. Wow, so colorful.
Wait, put on mine.
Wow, so colorful. How about yours, Lynn?
Mine.
Show me yours.
Mine.
Show me yours. Hala, a mermaid. Where's the mermaid?
There.
Under the water. Where's Ursula? Can you call Ursula?
Asla. Asla here.
Where's Ursula?
She's gone.
Gone?
This is gone.
Gone. Ursula is gone. Come on, let's eat.
No.
Ay, bon appetito. Come on. Good job.
What's this second one? Bud.
Yeah.
Bid.
Okay.
Or the E.
Huh?
Bid.
Yeah, up to you, honey.
Bid.
We'll have to choose it.
You understand?
Bid.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bug.
Open.
Can I use any letter I like to make a word? Just do it correctly.
Yes.
Daddy.
I give Lenny some. Look.
Yes, you do know that. Oi, E.
Pizza.
Yeah, it's not pizza. Pizza.
So I don't know how to spell it.
It's I.
P-I. I'll just change it. P-I?
You like?